Alright, so we're going to start our Erasmus project today now. And the first thing you'll probably get is a printed out sheet with 2 words on it. Now, only one of those words is your word, and you have to share that sheet with the other person. So you can just assume then that there's probably a line straight across, and you're not supposed to cross that line. Now, in this case, my word was electromagnetism. So when I had this sheet, I went and colored it with a Sharpie. So it had a picture on it essentially that would remind me what electromagnetism is a bit. All right, so that's what your first task is. And then when you finish that and your other partner has finished the other word, you would give that back to your teacher. And what they're going to do is they're going to scan it into a PDF form. And then through some means, either through Edmodo or Google Drive, they'll give you access to that PDF form. And you'll get something like this. So if it's in Google Drive, they'll share it with you. And you'll open it up, and it might look like this. Okay, so you can see right away there's a major problem with mine, and that is that it's sideways. So you might have the same issue. What I'm going to do is just zoom them out a bit though, because that's all right, because I need to take an image of this piece that I decorated. To do that, I'm going to hold down Shift and Command at the same time, so Shift Command, and then hit 4. And you see, I get this little tool now, which I can draw around my image. So I'll draw it like that, let go, and that made a little camera noise. And now when I check my desktop, I have something called screenshot, and that is the image file that I will upload later into the correct spot on Aurasma. For now though, I'm going to go open up Finder, go into my pictures, and go into Aurasma LA, because that's where I'm saving all this, and I'm going to drag this across into the folder because I like to keep my desktop clean. So this is electromagnetism, and that's the image I'll use to trigger my Aurasma. Alright, now that you have your image saved, I'm actually just going to show you how to rotate it. So I'm going to double click on my image file, and it's going to open up in preview. Now once it's open, right here there's a little turning arrow. You can click that, and it's going to spin it around. If yours is now just upside down again, click it twice more and it'll be right side up. Then we can go File, Save. It'll save into that orientation, and we are done.